Good news! Meet the new Giant Trinity Advanced 2020 year bike. From sprints to Olympic and Ironman distance triathlons, here's your aero advantage. Trinity Advanced is integrated with everything you need to score a new PR, built with advanced-grade composite materials and engineered with AeroSystem shaping technology. This frameset improves aerodynamics in real-world triathlon conditions. Its AeroSystem shaping means that every tube shape is designed to minimize drag no matter which direction the wind is blowing. The contact base bar offers maximum adjustability, so you can dial in your perfect position for comfort and performance. And the speed control brakes offer confident control without sacrificing aerodynamics.
Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.